So what other software does Microsoft BI integrate with? And so by using the gateways, you can connect with SQL Server databases, analysis services models, and many other data sources. And down below, you see this picture of the many types of other software you can use with Microsoft BI. And for this project, we used Excel, so I know firsthand that Excel works really good with BI. And next, we have some ratings for Microsoft BI from Gartner and PC Mag. And the editor from PC Mag rated BI as excellent, which is 4.5 out of 5-star rating. So that is really good. And Gartner says, for 11 years in a row, Microsoft has been recognized as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and business intelligence platforms. So go BI!